Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll talk about crash guard for Royal Enfield Himalayan. I bought this product from HDD Custom from Mumbai. I'll give you the contact details of HDD Customs in the description below. There are other crash guards available in the market. You can buy from Amazon also. I'll give you the link in the description below. So this is for the right side and this one is for the left side, and this rod will fix here. You can remove this thing, this cap, and remove this from that side also. So this rod will go through this hole. You have to remove these bolts right here, this one and this one. For that you need a 30 number spanner. Okay, so I removed those bolts here. Now come to this side. Now we will remove this bolt. Okay, so all nuts and bolts has been removed. Okay, now we will fix the crash guard. Okay, we will fix this later. First come to this side and we will fix the right leg guard. So I fixed it here. This is the engine stud mount, and this is the rear mount, and this one I'll fix it here. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.